Hey everyone, this is a trader investor coming to you for the market analysis for this morning. And we're going to start off with the futures, with ES futures. The reason I wanted to start off with the futures is because overnight action came to test the lows of yesterday. And not only that, there was an imbalance here that I did not remove from a while ago, and it just kept coming back to it, and I was just interested to see what it does around this price. And as you can see, it just wants to keep coming back to it. And the reason why I'm zooming out is to show you that it's been there a few times. And I drew it a while ago, right? And it's been there a few times. For some reason, it wants to come back to that area, and so this is really not an imbalance, but I just wanted to keep it there as a point of reference because for some reason ES is liking to gravitate there. But what happens today is yesterday it came down to that price after the FOMC minutes, and then overnight it came back down, way down there, and completed that imbalance area. Again, I'm not using it as an imbalance, just as a reference point because it's already been taken care of. And now it seems like as we're getting ready to open the market, price is really reversing back up. And as you can see, we're down some points, but not significantly as we were overnight. And so if we look at SPYs, then this is our interest area where you look at the pre-market. It was significantly down at the lows of yesterday, but we're starting to recover. So what does that mean for today's action? I don't know where we open. I don't know where the 15-minute range is going to take place. But the most important thing is once that happens, do we have a dollar move to the upside? Do we have a dollar move to the downside? And the downside meaning the lows of yesterday. Does it want to test that and go test some trend lines? That's what we want to look at. Or does it want to just reverse course and come back to the highs of the 15-minute range by the highs, way up here? But what I wanted to show you is depending on where we open and where that 15-minute range is made, do we also have a dollar from wherever that range is to this swing? This is a significant swing. So is there a dollar move to the significant swing? If not, does price come there, reject, and then continue up? Excuse this noise, the market's just opened and I have my toss platform that just made a noise. So depending on where we want to form this 15-minute range, will we have a dollar? I think that's the most important thing. And as we drive up, do we get an entry? Or do we drive up to this area here, get rejected, and then we have an entry? So now will this distance give us a dollar? That's what we want to look at to the upside. To the downside, wherever this range happens to be, is there a dollar to yesterday's low? Is there a dollar to last week's low? Because both of those would be valid areas of support. So we have our resistance up here, yesterday's high, last week's high, very close together. Ironically, yesterday's low, last week's low, very close together. So are we in a small range within the highs and lows of yesterday, or are we going to have a significant move up day? That's yet to be seen. So this is where we are right now. Market is still pushing up. It's positive for now, but how significant that is yet to be seen after the first 15 minutes. Qs, same scenario. we're pushing up, but we're still down from yesterday's close. IWM, we're pushing up but down from yesterday's close. Diamonds, pushing up slightly but down from yesterday's close. So as you can see, there's nothing but reds. So even if you look at UVXY there, which is kind of interesting, being red to me signifies that maybe today the market wants to move up to the upside, because they move in reverse. UVXY goes this way, markets goes this way. So I want to see UVXY keep dropping. That would be quite an interesting move for us to see the market really recover yesterday's Powell statement that markets just didn't like what he had to say, recovered a bit, overnight came back down, and we're still recovering, and we're in that recovery mode. So for us really to be heading completely north, I want to see us clear this area. Of course, clearing this area would be great. Would that happen today? Yet to be seen. That's 30 points in the SPX or $3 move in SPY. Yet to be seen. So this is how the markets are setting up for now. We will see later on today how the markets closed. All right, everyone, take care, and I'll see you in the next video.